Wait a minute. Do you have a comprehensive packing list of items you should bring to Canada?
I don't know what to pack.
Don't stress. We've got you covered.
Let's get started. Make sure you've packed extremely important documents in your backpack so it's readily available for review. Passport. Temporary resident visa if applicable. Valid study permit or a port of entry letter of introduction that shows you were approved for a study permit. Letter of acceptance to KPU. Enrollment letter. Proof of finances. List of emergency contacts. Tip: have a few backup copies in case you lose your original documents. In your carry-on luggage, store the essential items that you'll need to start your new life as a student. Travel adapters. International credit or debit card. Some skincare items for cold weather. If applicable, bring a month worth of medication along with your prescription. Umbrella or raincoat. Few things to remind you of home like photographs. The weather in Canada varies from season to season. So, we recommend that you bring different types of clothing to suit the changing climate outdoors. Spring has a cooler climate in Canada, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor adventures thoroughly. Hoodies, vests, fleece jackets, and denim are perfect for the weather in spring. Light and breezy clothes such as light-colored t-shirts and leggings are highly recommended to beat the summer heat. Fall also marks the return of the rainy season if you're based in British Columbia. Hence, you should pack a raincoat, scarves, sweaters, and waterproof shoes. Winters can be harsh, especially if you are coming from a country with warm climate. We would recommend you to bring heavy winter jacket, some layering pieces, toques, and neck warmer to keep you warm. Aside from dressing for the weather, you should pack a few work clothes to wear for any formal occasions. A formal suit or dress and a pair of formal shoes would do the job. Tip: we recommend that you buy bulkier or heavier items once you've arrived, especially if you have a luggage allowance. Travel policies related to COVID-19. Travel restrictions, testing, and quarantine requirements may change without notice. For the latest updates, please visit the following website. We wish you luck in all your future endeavors. See you soon. If you have further questions, please don't hesitate to contact International Student Life at kpu.ca.